Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti D. Gulwani, and here we are with our subject banking, insurance and financial services. This concept is fully new in this semester third. Here we have to learn about banking, insurance services as well as with the financial services. Let us take a look in the syllabus detail first. Here we are having 4 units. Unit number 1 is Introduction to Banking, which is having weightage of 25%. What we have to learn here? We have to learn here basics of banking. That is, here we have to learn what is bank, then what are the services which is provided by the bank, different concepts related to banking. Then bank and their customers relationship. As bank exists there, they don't work without the customer. So here we have to understand the relationship between these two, banker and the customer. As customers will be there, you have to learn certain guidelines related to customer which is provided by the government. So next we will learn customers guidelines. Certain instrument should be learned which is provided by the bank. Then next, bankers duties and responsibilities. As bank is working with the customers, they are having certain duties and responsibilities. So here it is to be learned. Next, types of customers and various types of accounts. If a bank is working over there, then how many types of customers are there as well as which type of account they are going to open is going to be learned over here. Then deposit products, services which is given by the banks majorly, which is totally new concept in this market. Different services are provided by the different banks and which is giving too much response in the market. So here it will going to be very interesting to learn different services provided by the bank. Bank is giving money into the market also to the different persons also. So nextly point is approaches to lending and steps in lending. Then if bank is providing different kinds of loan, credit management should be learned and credit monitoring should be learned, as well as if bank is providing certain loans into the market, then how it can be recovered, as well as different types of recovering of this particular loan. And if customers are not providing loans, then how it is converted into non-performing assets. So this whole is included in our chapter number 1. These are fully basics of banking. Then unit number 2 is e-banking, which consists of 25% weightage. Here we have to learn different roles of banking as well as this current new information system is to be learned. Then difference between traditional banking as well as the new banking system which is prevailing right now, and how it is helping in different activities which is known as RTGS as well as NEFT. This is a short chapter in comparison of unit number 1. Then unit number 3 is totally different. Here concept of banking is over and new concept will start over here, insurance. Basically, there are two types of insurance under the heading of life insurance and general insurance. So here we have to start firstly with what is insurance, its nature, importance, then different rules and regulation given by the IRDA. This is a regulatory authority of insurance services. And then have to learn about life insurance first, its meaning, its advantages, limitations, as well as difference between the traditional policy and new policy. Next, have to learn about general insurance. General insurance includes each and every insurance like marine, fire, automobile, home, medical, etc. So here all the things are related with the insurance services only, and this unit is having weightage of 25%. Unit number 4 considers mutual fund and other services. These services are considered as financial services, which is there in our main subject name. This chapter consists of weightage of 25%. Here we have to learn different meaning related to mutual funds, type of mutual fund, then how organization of mutual fund is being there, rules and regulation related to mutual fund, and guidelines given by the authority which is named as SEBI, as well as new concepts are also to be learned under the heading of leasing and venture capital. In leasing, have to learn concept, its types, as well as another concept is there under the heading of hire purchase, and new concept, that is venture capital, its history and what is the current scenario in this India related to this venture capital is to be learned here. So this is what all about our 4 chapters. Number 1 and 2 chapters are considering the banking sector. Chapter number 3 considers the insurance sector, and number 4 considers the financial services. So here we have to learn, as our subject name is there, about banking, insurance services as well as the financial services. Detail we will learn in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Have a safe environment at home. Goodbye.